going to spend a little bit of time fixing up this gap that I've got here between the seat and the tank. There's a couple of ways I could go about it. One would be obviously trimming it off completely and putting a plate in there, and then when I get it painted, obviously I could get it bogged like a body filler in it, and then you'd never know it was there, and that would just keep that flow of the line of the tank. And another way I could do it is just plating the end of it, but it's not going to look that great. So what I decided to do is use a little bit more of this foam that I have and fill it in. So basically just build the foam in there, place the seat on, and then just shape it down to where I need it to be, and then I'll just get that nice flow. I only want it pretty much level with the top of this. I think that's where I'm going to go, but as I do it I'll probably work it out from there, and then I'll just get that nice effect of the seat coming down and then a little bit of a kink at the back. I do have the option later on to put a cowling on the back, like the Cafe Racer cowling. I don't know if I want to do that. I've never really found a nice one that I like. So if I was to do that, then the option is there. But for now, it's just going to be a straight brat seat with a bit of a kink at the back and obviously a fill in here. And then I'm going to try and match the handle grips with that diamond pattern. That's the plan, and that's what I've got in my head, but things can always change depending on what I see between now and by the time I do it, and how things are going to progress. But yeah, for now I'm going to get stuck into the foam shaping, and then I'll have that seat finished and I can get it covered whenever I need to. I'm really happy with the outcome. In fact, it worked out better than I thought. I'm not too worried about all the little imperfections here, and you know, like those sort of things just get completely hidden once the top upholstery goes over the top, because the upholstery has a piece of 5mm foam that's stitched under the underside of it, which actually creates those raised diamond pattern or whatever pattern you put on it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that's turned out. As you saw, I hit it pretty hard with the grinder. I made it oversized and then hit it pretty hard with the grinder, and then just went over it with the fine touches, just with the hand sanding. It's actually really fun to work with. I love working with this foam. You can pretty much create whatever shape you want. But yeah, that's kind of disguised that little gap there, and it's made it flow really well. So once I stand back and you can see, yeah, it's kind of given that real nice look to it. It's not too fat now. The old seat that I first did was just a little bit too thick for what I wanted, but that's perfect, and once the upholstery goes on, it's going to look awesome.